Hiya. Okay, time for a silly song. It's raining tacos. Let's do it. Okay. Oh, I should probably have my silly hat. Yeah? Pretty cool? No, I don't know. No. I'll just go with my silly head. Okay, alright. D chord, very slow version. It's a little bit tricky. Just do the best you can. Ready? It's raining tacos, A. From out of the sky, D. Tacos, A. No need to ask why, G. Just open your mouth, D, and close your eyes, G. It's raining, A. Tacos. It's raining, D. Tacos, A. Out on the street, D. Tacos, A. All you can eat, G. Lettuce and shell, D. And cheese and meat, G. It's raining, A. Tacos, yum yum, D. Yum yum yummity, A. It's like a G dream, D. Yum 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 yummity, A. Bring your sour G cream, A. 2, 4, D. 2, 3, 4, A. 2, 3, 4. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese, G. Shell, meat, D. Lettuce, cheese, G. Shell, meat, A. Cheese, 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 cheese. It's raining, D. Tacos, A. Raining, D. Tacos, A. It's raining, G. Tacos, D. G. It's raining, A. Tacos, D. There you go. One very strange and silly song. Sorry, we did speed it up a bit there. Okay. Give it a shot. See how you go. Yep. Okay. So I'll see you next time. Oh, this is a terrible hat. Oh, there you go. Bye.